I tell you what, it is really coming down. It is coming down. Good morning, all my fans. I mean servants. Damn it, I always get that wrong. I will change that, I can guarantee you. Wow, look at this. You're not going to be able to see much, but I mean, there's some big drops coming down here. Wow. I think that's what you call rolling thunder. It's still going. You can just hear the intensity building on this. It's just remarkable. You can hear it slowing down right there. And they're starting up again. Wow, it's really something special. It's really something special. Special, special, special. Ee-haw, ee-haw. That's a different sound. That unicorn is a little bit different. Sort of a combination of a horse and a donkey. Serenade me, Mr. Banjo playing man. Doodle-doo-doo-doo-doo. Doodle-doo-doo-doo-doo. Doodle-doo-doo. Doodle-doo. Woo, woo. Okay, well, I'll tell you what, that came on strong. I had the door open too. I was gonna, get this really nice, cool flow going before the rain started. I could hardly close the door when I decided, hey, it's a little windy out there. Let's see what's going on back here. It's probably not raining in the backyard area. Nope, sure is. That thing right there has been standing like that for at least, I'd say, 3 years. It looks like it's almost going to fall over, but it's still standing. It's just like us on YouTube. We look like we're falling down, but we're still standing. Bada boom, bada bing. Oh yeah, we're still standing. Okay. Okay, I'm going to turn this thing on to see if I can make it light up. That's a stainless steel spool sticking out of there. Never in the history of the world has anyone tried to make a stainless steel spool electrified. Holy moly, Rodney, you are freaking awesome. Oops. It only stayed for a little bit, but you saw it. You saw it. You can tell everybody. I saw it. You can tell everybody. You can see how dark it is in here now. I just got it from a nap. I just got up from a nap. Up from a nappy nap. Not just a nap, but a nappy nap. Boy, it's beautiful. God gone. Wow. Well, it's time to say goodbye on this video. So long, farewell. Yeah, one more time. Oh, I remember my granddaughter one time. She was a little kid. She was maybe about 3 or something like that. And no, even smaller. She was maybe smaller. I don't know how old she was. She was just little. She was little, and she got up on this table and she would jump up into my arms. And it's like a little play area that they had there. And so she would jump into my arms. And then, you know, I went along with it for quite some time, you know, because why not? It's my grandkid. Stainless steel spool, ignite. What do you do? What do you have to say about that? And so she would jump off of my arms, you know, I would catch her, you know. We did that I don't know how many times, you know. I said, okay, this is the last time. Okay, so she got up there and jumped off and did it again. Okay, one more time. And I said, okay, this is the last time. After 10 times, okay, this is the last. She just kept doing it and doing it until she wouldn't stop. Finally, I was rescued by the dinner bell. That was that. I'm Rodney. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.